Saudi Arabian Military Industries, SAMI, signed an agreement with General Authority for Military Industries, GAMI, to develop a drone that will be named as Sky Guardian. SAMI Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Walid Abukhaled told Al-Ekhbariya on the sidelines of the first edition of the World Defense Show, WDS, that the drone will be used by Saudi Armed Forces. The company is also working on establishing the world's largest munitions factory and localizing defense industries, the official was quoted as saying by Saudi Gazette. GAMI signed an agreement with SAMI for the development of a Saudi drone to be named Sky Guardian, with Prince Sultan Studies and Research Center to work on developing the drone's capabilities. In October 2021. Riyadh plans to increase its drone fleet to 900. The kingdom has to localize more than 50% of its purchases of military equipment and services by 2023. SAMI has set its sights on accelerating its transformation to become one of the top 25 defense and security companies in the world by 2030.